In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Adobe fonts to your Wix website. This is a straightforward process, but following along closely will help ensure that everything goes smoothly. If you're looking to add a creative touch to your site by integrating beautiful fonts, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is your hub for making changes to your site. Once you're in the editor, look to the left side of your screen for the option labeled Add Elements. Click on this and you'll see a variety of options unfold. Next, click on Text. This option is your gateway to adding and customizing textual content across your site. Once you've clicked it, you'll see another set of options open up, presenting you with various themed texts. Choose from these options, keeping in mind the style and vibe you want to convey on your website. This step sets the foundation for the typography you're aiming to integrate. With your themed text selected, click on it once more to highlight it. You'll now want to select Edit Text, typically found near your selection or in a text menu that appears. This step will allow you to delve into more specific design choices. As you continue, look for the Fonts option in the text editing menu. Clicking here will show you a list of fonts currently available on your Wix site. From this list, you can choose an existing font or proceed to find something new. If you have a specific Adobe font in mind that you're eager to use, proceed to search for your font. This will streamline the process and help you swiftly locate the exact style you want to apply. To incorporate an Adobe font that isn't listed, click on Upload Fonts. This feature empowers you to bring in external font types that perfectly fit your design aesthetics. It's particularly useful if Adobe Fonts offers a style that's missing from your current selection and you really want to infuse that specific character into your site. Following this, click on Upload Fonts once more, this time directing your focus to the Adobe fonts you wish to incorporate. Upload the files here, ensuring they are compatible. Make sure the fonts you upload are properly licensed for web use to avoid any display or legal issues later on. Once the upload is complete, your new fonts will become a part of the library. Go ahead and apply the styles across your site to achieve your desired look. And there you have it, a seamless and customized integration of Adobe fonts into your Wix website. Remember, experimenting with different fonts can make your site stand out and perfectly reflect your brand's personality. Enjoy customizing, and I'll see you in the next video.